We call it the Fortnite fallout. Electronic Arts, Take-Two, Activision getting destroyed.
Yeah, totally. Well, we used to be a big fan of Electronic Arts, and we're not now. We saw the writing on the wall to the extent that it's become a hit-driven game, and when it was two companies that controlled the hits, that was fine if they were Activision and EA. And now you've got new companies like Fortnite that are created by venture capitalists and a lot of private equity money, and they throw $100 billion, whatever, and into an industry and say, create games, and they'll do it.
Fortnite's made by Epic Games, which is in North Carolina, but one of the bigger shareholders is Tencent.
No,
not really venture capital.
Okay, but outside money is funding it, and it's limitless. So I think it's extremely hard for these guys to compete now in the way that they used to. And now that it's not a single-player universe and you're playing with multiple participants anywhere around the world, it becomes a form of entertainment that is different from the traditional video game that they had created. I just think it's a very hard industry in which to compete.
I don't have anybody on the desk who owns any one of these three stocks.
No.
EA, Activision, Take-Two.
No, I think
nobody,
Microsoft.
And nobody would use this tremendous pullback in these names.
If you own NVIDIA or AMD, you are supremely exposed to the growth in gaming. And I would argue that point is correct, that there are more players and the stakes have gone up. However, there are new monetization methods that did not exist in the old duopoly or three competitors making video games, which is that if you bought a first-generation PlayStation game, that was the end of the money that Sony saw. Now, selling the game is just getting you hooked, and they're selling you clothing for your character. And these are brand new revenue streams that never existed for the industry. So, yes, more competition, way more monetization opportunities.